What is your point of view about entrepreneurship?
See, entrepreneurship is basically a habit, quality which should be there among the students. It is not only about the starting up of a business, but rather it is something like you should have a quality to do, a passion to do something. If you are good at studies, you should have a passion to do very nice about your studies. You should be a very good student. So that is entrepreneurship in my point of view.
According to you, what is the current scenario of e-ship in our college?
See, slowly, gradually, it's growing. You know, we are encouraging students to develop a thinking towards entrepreneurship, right? What we are doing for that, we are promoting students, we are encouraging students to come up with the campus companies. Right now, we are having 2 campus companies in our college, and 3 months down the line, we will be having 2 more campus companies. So that student should understand right now, and during the time of studies only, what is entrepreneurship and how they can go in this particular field after completing their degree.
What is the difference between colleges who have e-cell in their colleges and our college?
See, the difference, basically you want to know the difference between the colleges where ESL is there or not.
Yes.
The colleges which, those who are not having ESL, and our college which is having ESL, right? See, the colleges which don't have ESL, basically I personally believe entrepreneurship cell should be there everywhere in the colleges, because it basically provides the way to think, right? It is not only about teaching students, okay fine, after completing your degree you need to go and do some kind of startup. No, it is not like that. But if you go in job also, if you know how to take up your things in as your own baby, that we teach in entrepreneurship cell, right? So the colleges which are not having entrepreneurship cell is not able to give the practical knowledge to the students, right? Vocational knowledge is always being provided, but what about the practical knowledge? If you want to give practical knowledge to the students, you should have entrepreneurship cell in your college.
How can we encourage more students to become entrepreneurs?
See, I told you, it's not about like everybody is having entrepreneurship in their own blood, right? It is something like we need to teach them, we need to motivate them, we need to show them the way towards the entrepreneurship, and this we can do through our ESL. This we can teach them through giving more and more practical exposure. Our ESL is giving more and more practical exposure to the students in the form of guest lectures, in the form of workshops, in the form of conclaves, in the form of different tasks, in the form of campus companies, so that in the form of boot camps, so that student goes there, student learn from the speaker, from the workshop, how to take up the things, how to start up, where are the problems. Okay.
Means apart from creating a business, it's like think out of the box and wherever you are.
Right, right.
Many students go for job after graduation. So what do you think about their views? Whether they should go for a job or e-ship?
That's what I told you. See, it is about your own perception what you want to do. If you don't have got any family business or any exposure to the business, if you want to get the experience, you can always first go for the job, take up the experience, and then slowly, gradually you can opt for your own startup.
Okay. What kind of activities we can do in our college campus by which students get encouraged?
I told you we can go for different boot camps, we can go for workshop series, we can go for conclaves, we can go for conferences, we can go for different webinars, we can go for different tasks of entrepreneurship, we can go for campus companies. Through this only we can promote entrepreneurship.
Many people get confused between entrepreneurship and business. So what is the basic difference between them?
See, business is something like you are just starting something, right? But entrepreneurship, as I told you initially, entrepreneurship is a passion. It is a habit which you need to do. You want to do any damn thing, whatever you feel like. If you have got passion towards that thing, is entrepreneurship in my point of view, right? But business is if you only want to earn your livelihood through that particular thing is a business. But entrepreneurship is okay, you need to earn money also, but apart from that you need to have passion for this. That is basically.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your precious time.
Thank you.